I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
Hello everyone. In today's video we will talk about the best way to find trading opportunities, and save you from wasting time waiting for the right moment to buy. First, let's head over to Tradingview.com. If you do not have an account on this website, open a new account, it is free, and you will find the link below the video. Well, after browsing the website, go directly to the screener section. Choose the market you are trading in. You will find all the markets here, just choose the market you want. In this example, we will choose the cryptocurrency market. As you can see, there are more than 9,000 currencies to trade, or rather, more than 9,000 binary to trade. But questions remain. How do we choose the right currency to trade? How can we know that this currency is in a suitable position to enter? What is the draft of this currency and the number of funds that are pumped in its favor? Is it at the top of the top or at the bottom of the bottom? Is it a good time to buy? Well, that's why we uploaded this video, to talk about these strategies. Alright, let's click on filters. As you can see, there are many filters here, and we are going to select some of them, to get a good strategy. First, choose the platform you want. Since we have previously selected the cryptocurrency market, all cryptocurrency platforms will appear. Just choose what you want. Look here, the number of currencies has gone down. After we have selected the platform, let's apply another filter. Let's find the average volume filter. If you can't find it, type it in the search box. As you can see, there are 4 types of average volume. But we'll focus on 90. Because if we can get a currency that has a lot of volume on average over the last 90 days, we know there's some liquidity, people are trading it, and there's interest around it. Now, see the number of coins before applying the filter. Here too, the number of filters we have applied. Let's apply the filter, and let it be 50 million within 90 days. As we said, to get the currencies that have a large pumping. Look here, the number has been reduced, we have filtered the results again. Also the number of filters here has become 2. If you have your own strategy, and want to change the number here, you can write it manually, and you can change from 1,000,000 to 1,000, type the letter M for the million, and the letter K for the 1,000. Well, let's go back to 50 million and continue our filters. As you can see here, these are 2 filters that we have applied. Now let's look for a third filter, which is fully diluted market cap. Just type fully in the search box, and it will appear directly. But why this filter? Because we want to make sure that the project is actually a big project, that it has some support, and there's enough buyers to command market cap, or enough people interested or trading it, to command a market cap. Okay, let's apply it over at 10 million. Now, let's go back to the filters screen, and see how many filters we have applied. Yes, we have picked 3 filters so far. Okay, let's turn these filters off, and see what happens. The number of currencies that we have filtered has decreased, according to the inputs we entered. This method is useful for finding out which currencies have a high trading value and have good projects. Now you can save it, so you never write it again. Choose the name you want, let it be volume, market cap, or any other name. Now when we click here, any screen that we saved will appear. Okay, let's delete all filters and see what happens. Yes, all currencies are back here. And when we want to go back to the screen that we saved, we will find it here. Well, this was a detailed explanation in general, so that you are able to understand the screen section, and add and remove filters easily. Now we will go deeper, by searching for currencies in the buy area, or at entry points, and we will apply very important filters. Stay with me. Okay, open the filters as we learned, and reset all the entries. Now, search for RSI filter. Choose Relative Strength Index 14, which is the same as RSI 14. Be sure it's below. And in the value field, put 30. Okay, close the filters. And let's see what happens. As you can see, we got about 400 binary in the RSI filter, below the 30 line. Well, we will filter the results further. To get a pair of dollars only, type USD or USDT. That's good, we got about 100 trading opportunities. But why did we choose the RSI filter? And why did we type below 30? To find out why, choose any binary from the results, and open it in the chart. Well, this is the chart, and at the bottom, there is an RSI indicator in purple color. Let's zoom in, to understand what below 30 means. This type of RSI indicator moves between 2 lines, which are the 70 line at the top, and the 30 line at the bottom. The area near 30 line is considered oversold, and the area near 70 line is considered overbought. Okay. Let's go back to the full chart mode and explain more. As you can see here, it's moving below the 30 line, this could be a buying opportunity. That's right, the price went up, after it crossed the 30 line to the bottom. Here too, a rise occurred, after it was below 30 line. And here. Well, all this is in the past. And what matters now, is now. Yes, this is the gift that the filter gave us. Instead of staying in front of screens, spending hours, days and maybe weeks, waiting for the opportunity that has not come yet. Now, we can know the chances of entering, in a few minutes. Finally, If you like this method, and you want to know other important strategies that contain very important filters, please let me know in the comments, so I can prepare the second part of this video. Because this video was just the beginning, to see if you want to implement this type of trading, and to learn how to apply filters, and how to search for them. Good luck! And don't forget to subscribe.